How to fix error in message stream in ChatGPT. Hello friends, if you are getting an error in message stream while using ChatGPT, especially on the web interface, then follow the steps. The first method is reload the page. Reload the page time and again. You can also press the F5 button on the keyboard to refresh the page. The second method is check your internet connection. If your connection is weak or switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, the message stream might appear. Try restarting your router or switching the network to fix the issue. If the issue still persists, clear cache and cookies of the browser. If you are running Google Chrome, then click on three dots, click on delete browsing data. For time range, click on the drop down and select all time. Click on advanced. Select all the options and leave these two options, passwords and other sign-in data and autofill from data. Then click on delete data, let the deletion complete, and then reload the ChatGPT page. If the issue still occurs, then log out and log in to ChatGPT. Click on this icon, select logout. Here click on logout and then log in. See if the issue is fixed. Otherwise, you can use another browser. If you are using Google Chrome, then you can use Firefox or Microsoft Edge to run ChatGPT. One most important step is checking the status of OpenAI. Go to the browser and type OpenAI status. Click on this link and see if there is not any issue. If the server is facing outage, then wait for some time until the server side is fixed by OpenAI and then start using ChatGPT. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.